This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Marcus.Anderson. Gorgeously renovated townhome located in the heart of Chesapeake. This home boasts an open floor plan west/laminate floors, recessed lighting, and modern ceiling fans. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and updated cabinets in the kitchen. Enjoy additional first floor living space featuring wood-burning fireplace. Beautiful redwood steps and spiral banister leading to second floor convenient upstairs utility closet. Custom tile designs in both baths. Large master west/walk-in closet. This home will not last. For more information, review the details below.